Uh-oh.
Letters Z, W. That's X-ray. Now, let's spell zoo. Zoo starts
Give it to Mommy.
with the letter Z.
Give it to Mommy. Here.
Z.
Sini. Okay. You got it? Thank you.
Z. O. O. That's zoo. Press the green letter Z.
Thank you, Maylee. Thank you.
The letter Z is next to the blue letter Y. Press the letter Z. Thanks for
Kau ada injak.
learning Leapfrog.
Bye-bye.